So, after reviewing your pre-screening alcohol questions, would you mind if we talked a little more about your alcohol use?
Sure.
Okay, and how much are you currently drinking?
Well, I drink before going to the golf course, and I used to drink about drink 1 to 2 beers on the weekend, but now I drink about 3 to 4 per night, and about for the past 6 months.
Okay, and do you ever smoke?
Nope.
Okay. So, did you know that you exceed the recommended limits for alcohol consumption for women at 7 drinks per week or 3 drinks per occasion?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so the National Institute of Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism actually sets these guidelines for drinking, and you can see right here that women is 7 drinks per week or 3 drinks per occasion. So, with your drinking right now, you do exceed those guidelines. So, what do you think about all of this information?
Well, I think I probably need to change because I don't really enjoy the lifestyle I'm living right now, and my husband's been getting frustrated with me. So I think I'm ready to change.
Okay. And what are the good and bad things you see about drinking?
Well, it helps me feel not as boxed in, and it helps me ease some of my stress. And I know some of the bad things are is it causes liver damage.
Okay, so the liver damage you're talking about is actually called cirrhosis. And prolonged drinking can actually cause this, and it can eventually lead to liver failure.
Okay.
It also can cause hypertension, which when we took your blood pressure today, it was actually 172/98, which would be considered hypertensive because a regular blood pressure is 120/80. So that's another concern that we have with drinking. And then it can also cause diabetes. So it sounds like you're drinking more excessively lately, and it's causing you to be more isolated. Yeah, so I know that some of this info can be really difficult to talk about, but I'm here to help you. So how ready would you say you are to quit drinking?
I'd say probably about a 6.
Okay, and you can look on this ruler here and pick out the numbers. So you said about a 6?
Yeah.
Okay, so a 6 is pretty good because it shows that you're more ready for a change than not ready for a change. How confident do you feel that you'll be able to reduce your drinking?
I think it'll be hard, but I think I can definitely do it.
Okay, that's great. And what would make you feel more confident about cutting back on your drinking?
I would say family support.
Okay. So a 6 is great on the readiness scale, and you are definitely capable of making this change, and I think with your family support, that'll help too. I can tell you're motivated because you have a family and you want to get back to them. So I would suggest reducing your drinking during the week and no drinking before driving because it is very dangerous and illegal. So I know that you had said that you drove to the golf course after having a few drinks, so we should probably not do that just because it could put you or other people at harm.
Okay, I can do that.
Yeah. And what steps can you take to help yourself cut back?
Well, like you said, I'm going to let my family know of the plan and ask for their help and support, but also I could substitute other beverages for alcohol.
Great. And I'm going to give you some information about treatment programs that may help, and I would like to see you next month, and we can talk more about how you're doing with cutting back.
Okay, thank you.
All right.